Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your TradingView with MEXC. So, if you want to trade directly on MEXC using your TradingView charts, and this is how you can connect your account safely. So, the first thing that you will have to do is once you're on your TradingView, what you will do is, of course, you will log into your account. So, you should have that option right here. And if you do see it, you will just have to log in and then go to your trading panel at the bottom. So it should be right here. And then what you will have to do is you will select MXC and then you will click connect and then enter your MXC API key and secret. So it should be found in your MXC account under the API management. So it really depends on the layout of your screen, but once you see that, you will just have to click that and then you will enter your MXC API key and secret here, and then you will just have to enable the trading permissions if you want to trade directly from TradingView. And then you will just have to click connect and then your MXC account is now linked. And by the way, you should never share your API key publicly and keep it secure to protect your account. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.